How to fix this perfectly broken fly swatter using only soldering iron and a piece of wire. Using a soldering iron with a pointy tip, just poke holes around the broken area, as I'm doing right here. Many holes, the stronger it holds. Also do the same for the handle. And avoid breathing the smoke from the melting plastic. It's poisonous. So it's done. Similar to shoelaces, install the wire to connect the broken parts together, as I can show you now how it's done. First it can wiggle around, but then you secure it, tighten it down, and you will see the immediate results. As you can imagine, the handle will position itself in the middle, but you have to tighten it down, and you have to keep it approximately in the middle. And if you can see that some hole is missing, you can make another one, or you can use one for two holes, as I will do it now. Here, this one, I will use it for one, and as the hole is big enough to hold this tiny wire, I will use it for the second hole as well, over here. Okay. And basically the job is done. You have successfully fixed this this fly sweater, but you have to fix the wire. So you can use the hot glue around the area, or you can just tighten it down and secure the wire that it doesn't rub up. That's it for today. Take care.